So let's consider this question. We are given that root 6, 3 root 2, 3 root 6, 9 root 2 are the first four terms of an exponential sequence, which is the same thing as GP. We asked to find its simplest form, the 8th term. Now we asked to find T8. T8 is equal to question mark. Now, the first term here is root 6. A is equal to root 6. Now, common ratio is the second term divided by the first term, or the third term divided by the second term, or the fourth term divided by the third term. So let's use the second term divided by the first term. So R is equal to 3 root 2 divided by root 6. Now, the next step, let's rationalize this. So, we multiply the denominator by the numerator and the denominator. So, we multiply by root 6 divided by root 6. So, common ratio is equal to 3 root 2 times root 6 will give us 3 root 12. Divided by root 6 times root 6 will give us root 36, and root 36 is 6. So now 3 can go here 2, 3 can go here 1. So common ratio is equal to, now let's simplify this root 6. We look for two numbers. If we multiply, it must give us 12, but 1 must be a perfect square, which are 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Now, 4 is a perfect square, right? Yeah. So, root 4 is what? 2. So, 2 multiplied by root 3 will give us 2 root 3. 2 root 3 divided by 2. So, 2 we cancel this 2 here. So, that means common ratio is equal to root 3. Now, who can tell me our formula? Cn is equal to raised power n minus 1. So this is our formula. So we have to find T8 term. So T8 is equal to, first term is root 6 multiplied by common ratio is root 3 raised to the power of 8 minus 1. So T8 is equal to root 6 open bracket root 3. 8 minus 1 is what? 7. So T8 is equal to root 6 raised to the power of root 3 raised to the power 7 is root 3 times root 3 times root 3. So root 3 times root 3 is what? Root 9, and root 9 is 3. 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3 root 3. 3 root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. Root 3 times root 3 is root 9. 3 root 3 multiplied by root 3. 3 multiplied by root 3 times root 3 is root 9. Root 9 is 3. That is 9. Let me repeat myself. Root 3 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiplied by root 3, 5. Multiplied by root 3, 6. And multiplied by root 3, which is 7. So root 3 multiplied by root 3 is root 9. Root 9 is 3. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by root 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times root 3 is 27 root 3. So 27 root 3, close bracket. So let me clean this. So now T8, 10 root 6. Now root 6 multiplied by 27 root 3. It will give us 27. Root 3, root 6 multiplied by root 3 is root 18. Root 18. So it will give us T8 is equal to 27. Let's simplify this root 18. Now, what times what to give us 18? 1 times what? 9 times 2 is 18. So root 9 times 2. Root 9 is what? 3. Multiplied by 3 root 2. So T8 is equal to 27 times 3. 81. 81 root 2. So this is our final answer. 8 term is 81 root 2.